Hello everyone, now I will demonstrate on how to collect firearms safety. First step is we need to use the PPE, the face mask and the gloves. Now, after done putting gloves, I will check the pistol. When we check the pistol, we should be always finger trigger out. Next is we will check the magazine if there is a bullet. Next, we need to check again the pistol if there's a bullet in the inside. After we check the pistol, we will put the pistol to the paper bag to avoid contaminate. And that's all for the pistol, and put to the box. And that's all for the collecting firearms safely.